In this story, we will see that how you can check who viewed your Facebook profile in just few steps. There are 2 steps to check who viewed my Facebook profile, and we will not use any third-party apps in it. So let's dive in. So for the first step, from home page, you have to find Facebook and keep pressing on it. And here you will see this app info. Click on that, and here you have to scroll down and you will find here open by default. Click on that and it will be on. You have to turn it off. Turned off, our first step is done. So let's move on to second and last step. Open Google and search for Facebook, and then you have to log in your profile. I have already logged in. So after logging in, you have to click on these 3 dots and click on open in Chrome browser. So we are in Chrome browser here. Then click on this icon, and here you have to open your profile. Open it. Now your profile will open. Then you have to click on this link, and here it will show you this pencil icon. Click on that and your Facebook URL will be copied in Google search bar like that. And now raise this text until these numbers. These numbers are our profile ID. And now come to beginning of this link and type here view-source and search it, and then it will show you text like this. Then you have to click on these 3 dots and click on desktop site, and then it will show you these data. Now we have to filter out. Click on these 3 dots and click on find in page, and here you have to write for buddy ID. If you search this buddy ID on Google, you can see here buddy ID is basically the Facebook profile ID of all of your friends who have visited your profile. So simply you have to write here buddy ID and it will filter out this text. Here it is. You have to zoom it, and here it will show you some of ID. You can see here user ID. You have to copy its ID. Simply tap on that and click on copy, and now search here facebook.com and paste this ID and search it, and then you will find this ID who viewed your Facebook profile. So these are the 2 steps which will help you to check who viewed your Facebook profile in just few steps.